Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So today we are going to start a new playlist on Azure Data Factory. So Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based ETL platform provided by Azure, and if you are a data engineer or a data analyst watching this video, is highly helpful for you to get started with the Azure Data Factory playlist. So let us get started with the video. So first we are going to learn what is Azure. So Azure Data Factory is a service provided by Azure. So before getting into Azure Data Factory, we must know what is Azure and what service it provides. So Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing platform which offers you a wide range of services, including the computing, storage, analytics, and also the networkings, where you can build, deploy, and manage your applications through clouds. So there are several offerings in Azure, which is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So IaaS is also known as infrastructure as a service. So where Azure will provide an infrastructure completely for you, where you can manage your activities. So you need to maintain all the management, updates, and all those things. So say for an example, if you are you have a machine, you are working on a Windows OS. So if you would like to try the Linux OS, you just don't need to buy a separate machine to use the Linux OS. You can just rent a virtual machine from Azure, and you can use to run the Linux OS on your own machine. So it is just renting what you need. So you can use Azure IaaS to rent a virtual machine and use those Linux OS for your computing power, and you can pay only for what you use. And while PaaS is also known as platform as a service, where Azure provides a complete platform where it automatically maintains the infrastructure and the security while allowing you to deploy, run, and create applications and managing without any need to maintain the infrastructures. So finally, SaaS is also known as software as a service, where Azure provides a complete software for you over the internet, where you can just pay for what service that you are using. So let us see some few components provided by Azure. So first, regarding the computing service, Azure provides virtual machines where you can create Linux or Windows virtual machines in seconds, and you can use those machines on your own computer. So it also provides Azure Kubernetes service where you can manage your Kubernetes clusters. Also it provides Azure App Services where you can host your web applications, mobile backends, and also your RESTful APIs. So not only in computing, it provides storage services where you can buy blob storages. It is basically an object storage like your text file or a binary data. Also we have Azure Files, which is fully managed for your file shares on your cloud. Also we have disk storages, which is available for your virtual machines. You can create any size of your disk. It also offers networking services like virtual networks. You can create your own private network on the cloud, and it also provides load balancers and Azure CDNs. In database services, it also provides Azure SQL database, which is highly responsible for data storage and data analytics. And it also offers Cosmos DB and Azure database for MySQL and PostgreSQL. So regarding AI and ML, it offers Azure Machine Learning Studio, where you can build, train, and deploy your models for your machine learning purpose. And Azure provides a number of cognitive services. So cognitive services are fully based on AI service, where you can use speech recognition, language, and custom vision, OCR, and all those things, which has been included under cognitive service in Azure. And for the IoT devices, it provides Azure IoT hubs and Azure IoT centrals. And finally, regarding the security, Azure mainly concerned on the security purposes, and it is highly secure, where you can maintain your securities under a single application, which is Azure Active Directory. Now it is renamed as Azure Entra ID, where you can manage the subscription. You can provide access for any users, and you can revert any user for the subscriptions. So these are some of the key features of the Azure, and let us see some key benefits of using Azure. So the first thing is the scalability. So if you need to scale up or down your needs, you can it can provide any additional resources for you, or it can offers you to scale your applications or capability vertically or horizontally. So it is highly scalable for your any needs. And the availability of Azure, as Microsoft provides Azure, there is a high environment for it, and the Azure service has been spread worldwide, so it is highly available in each and every network. Also it ensures minimal downtime. Also considering the security, Azure provides a complete security for all the services that you use in Azure. So you can also maintain all those securities in the Azure Entra ID, and it also offers hybrid capabilities. If you are not aware of hybrid clouds, it is a combination of public and private clouds. So Azure has the capability to connect your on-prem services to the cloud and your cloud databases as well. And cost efficiency, the main thing of using Azure is the pay as you go model. So you are going to pay only for the service which you are going to use, so there won't be any extra charges. You just going to pay what you use, and all these services has been handled on Azure portal. So there is a web portal available for Azure provided by Microsoft, where you can handle all the operations, and you can request or create any number of resources from the Azure portal. So regarding Azure subscription, to create, manage and use all those resources, you first need to create an Azure subscription. So it is like a PaaS to access all those resources in Azure. So if you are a school student or if you are an IT professional, you can just create your Azure trial by your email ID. So you can just create an Azure account and get the free trial amount, and you can use the Azure service for until your free trial exhausts. So let me provide the how to enable student subscription in Azure in the description. So let's just watch the video and enable your Azure subscription. So next, let us see about what is Azure Data Factory. So ADF or Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based ETL platform provided by Azure. So it is useful for you to perform your data movement and data orchestration in an organized manner. So let us see some key features of Azure Data Factory. So the features provided by Azure Data Factory are: you can provide data movement. You can take any sources and you can move to any number of sources. So there are multiple connectors, n number of connectors in Azure Data Factory. So you can connect to the any on-prem or other third-party cloud services or any other applications, and you can take those data and insert into any number of destinations. If it is an on-prem SQL or it is an Azure SQL Cosmos DB, you can connect n number of sources and n number of destinations and perform the data movement. And while considering the data transformations, there is data flows in Azure Data Factory, which is highly effective in performing multiple transformations, where you can perform multiple n number of transformations on your data, and you can set the destination and you can publish all the transformed data into the destination. Also, we have Spark notebooks where you can run Spark queries to perform high level transformations, and there is the schedule manner to perform the data orchestration. You can just provide all the activities inside a single pipeline, and you can maintain the flow of the execution one by one with the help of pipelines, and you can schedule those pipelines in a daily manner, hourly, and also based on events. So also integration, so you can integrate Azure Data Factory with any other Azure resources as well as other services. So you can just easily integrate with Azure Blob Storage or Azure SQL DB, Azure Synapse Analytics, or any other components easily and perform your data movement and data orchestration. So let us see some key components of Azure Data Factory. So the main thing in Azure Data Factory is the pipeline, so where you can perform all the kinds of activities, whether it is a copy activity, delete activity. So you can perform a number of activities in an order inside your Azure pipelines. So there are concepts like linked services, data sets, which are used to connect to your source and destinations, and there are inbuilt monitoring sections for your data, and it also offers you to connect GitHub and Azure DevOps to maintain the version controls for your data. So based on that, you can just scale your transformation activities, and you can perform your data movement, and you can just monitor all those capabilities and manage it inside the ADF portal. So Azure will provide a separate portal for your Azure Data Factory, where you can perform all these operations in an organized manner. And while considering the cost, you must not have to pay anything for creating a Azure Data Factory. It is fully free of cost. So you just need to pay only for the data that has been transferred. So how many activities that you are going to run and how many hours that has been running. So based on those data movement and the data orchestration, you are going to pay for the Azure. So there will be no charge to create Azure Data Factory. So it is fully free of cost, and it will charge only for what you use. So let us discuss all the components one by one clearly in our next video, and in our next video we can see how to create an Azure Data Factory in the Azure portal, and let us see how the Azure portal is. So if you find this video helpful for you, please share with your friends to get started with this Azure Data Factory playlist. Please subscribe to the channel so you can get all the videos when I upload it. Thank you for watching.